So there are 5 words I hear nearly every single week, and they cost families more than they realise. Want to know what they are? We'll sort it next year. That's it, 5 tiny words. Sounds harmless, doesn't it? We've all said something like it. About the dripping tap, the car service, the dentist appointment, we just keep putting it off. But when it comes to protecting your family, if you got really ill or couldn't work or worse, those 5 words can quite literally cost a family their home. Let me explain what I mean. The average UK household has just over £2,000 in savings. Here in the East Midlands, if your income stopped tomorrow, you'd be on the breadline in 19 days. 19. Not 19 weeks, not 19 months, 19 days from your last pay slip to having nothing left. And most people genuinely believe they'd cope for 2 months at least. That's the gap between what they think and what's actually true. Now, what I want to tell you about is a real client of one of my industry colleagues. Ryan, he's 32, lives just down the road in Leicester. He had a young family, a physical job, and he was the sole earner in the household. When he moved house, his advisor said, look, with you being the only one bringing in money, let's get you covered properly. So he did. Life cover, critical illness, the full setup. And then a week after running the London Marathon, in under 3.5 hours, so the fittest he'd ever been, Ryan had a stroke at 31 years old. Out of nowhere, he couldn't work, the bills didn't stop, the mortgage didn't stop. His wife had to start generating an income out of thin air through social media just to keep things going. But here's the thing. Because Ryan had said yes when his advisor asked the awkward question, his critical illness policy paid out. And that money meant his family could focus on him getting better, not on whether they could afford to keep the lights on. Now imagine, Ryan had said those 5 words instead. We'll sort it next year. Just imagine, because here's what the insurance industry actually paid out in claims last year. £8 billion, £22 million every single day going out to families dealing with illness, injury, or losing somebody. 97.9% of individual claims got paid out. That's almost 98%. This is not a scam. This is not small print designed to wriggle out of paying you. This is the safety net that actually works. The problem is you can only use it if you've got it. So here's my ask for you tonight. If you're sat there thinking, I really should look at this, but it can wait, please don't be that person. It takes a quick chat, half an hour, maybe less. I'll tell you what cover makes sense, what doesn't, and what it actually costs. Sometimes it's the price of a takeaway a month, sometimes less. And if it turns out you don't need anything, that's absolutely fine too. At least you'll know. Just drop me a message, give me a ring, or hit the links in my bio. Your future self will thank you, I promise. I'm Patrick Weightman, your local East Midlands mortgage and protection advisor, serving clients up and down the UK. Drop me a like and a follow for more, and hit the links in my bio to get in touch. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.